Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Okay, today I have a crafting haul for you. It is Hobby Lobby and Joann's. I didn't get a chance to go to Michael's, which I kind of really wanted to go to Michael's, but I just didn't get a chance. So I will start to show you from Joann's. This is a second. So Joann's, this is a couple, like 2 weeks ago, I think. Joann's had the, this is the Miss Sparkles and Company. They had buy two, get one free. So I decided to get some of these stamps. These are the clear stamps. So I got the alphabet. I got this Love XOXO Hugs and Kisses. I really like that. I thought that was really, really cute. Sorry for the glare. But that was really cute. And then I just got these flowers. I don't think I have these, so but if I do, I might put them in a giveaway that I'll be having at the end of next month. I got this birthday balloon, and it has the numbers on it, and it says, may your birthday be as special as you are. And then it says celebrate, and then it has the numbers, and it has first, second, third, first, second, third. So right down at the bottom has this little balloon that you can put the numbers in, and then it has this balloon with little polka dots on it. I thought that was really cute, so I got that. And then I finally got the pandas by Mama Elephant. I've been dying to get these, and they were on sale, so I was able to get them. They were half off, so they were so cute, and they come with the matching die set. So that is so cute. I'm going to use that on a card, a belated birthday card. And then the next things that we have here are from Hobby Lobby. They had a pretty good sale. So I was kind of really excited about the sale because there were some things here that I really wanted to get. So excuse the bag, guys. Alright, the first thing I have here, they had 40% off of all their Valentine's Day things. So this is a paper pad that I got. It's the Love pad. I don't have any Valentine's Day paper pads at all. So I got this. So I'll also be doing a DIY with the paper. I can't wait to do that. I'm going to do that probably tomorrow. Then they had all this paper for 10 cents each. They were all 10 cents. And they're like this. I have plans for them. This one has little swirls on it. Can you see that? I got 3 of them and then 2 of these. So just for 50 cents, I got these papers. That's so pretty. And this is actually two different trips that I made. These are some watercolor pencils. There's 36 colors in there. I have watercolor pencils, but I don't have any white, so I wanted to try these ones to see how they are. And these ones are by the Fine Touch. I got them, and I used my 40% off, so they weren't $10.99. They were 40% off of that. I got this eraser. It's a gum eraser, so I needed to get that. So... And then they had it was during the paper blowout sale, so I got this pink cards. This is just cards, so I can make a card. And what else did I get? She wrapped this up, so. Oh, and then I got this charm, and it was 28 cents, but it's by Brilliance. But isn't that pretty? It's a charm. So I'll be making something with that. And then, and again, it was the paper blowout sale, so I did pick up some papers. I got this really pretty floral and vellum, so it's really pretty flower vellum. Then I got this pink floral one. This is actually for a card that I'll be making. I got some Valentine's Day paper, just the hearts. I just got one. And all this was half off, so. And then I got the polka dots. It's pink polka dot. And this is like pearl paper. So, oh, here's another piece of pink vellum. This is just pink. This is like a pearly color. So I got 2 pearly pinks. Then I got a creamy white. And then I got like a gold color. So, and it was wrinkled. There's nothing I could do. The whole entire stack was like that. So, and then my next trip I went and I got some really good deals. Again, it was 40% off all their Valentine's Day stuff. So I got some owls. I love these. They were so cute. I got some Valentine's Day sequins. This is already mixed for me. I got some of these hearts. These are really cute. I can't wait to use them. And then I got these drawer pulls. And these were only 86 cents each, but aren't they really pretty? They're crosses, so I'll be using these on some drawers I have in my room. And then these cute envelopes, they were like, they close like that. Isn't that cute? They were $1.25 each, so I got 2 of them, just to send some goodies in. And then I know I got, oh, okay, yeah, here they are. And then these were all on sale. Like, I couldn't believe the sale that they were having. So I have been dying to get this, and this is the unicorns. These are die cuts, and they were only $3.25. So originally they were $14.99. So I hit the sale just at the right time. Then I got this flower. This was $2.50. Originally I think this was $9.99. But isn't that pretty? That's gonna make some really pretty cards. And then I got this pink flamingo, and this was originally $12.99, and it was $3.25. But isn't that cute? It's just a flamingo. I think I just called it a pink flamingo, but it's a flamingo. And some of my orders came in from overseas, so I wanted to show you the cute little things I got. I got this little fairy die cut. And then I got this little bunny rabbit, and this was 85 cents. So, and I got this from overseas. And then I got a little, just a little stamp set. And then some, and they came with matching dies. So this is really cute. It's little foxes. It says, "Hello, Foxy. Merry Christmas, sweet wishes, feel better soon. For my foxy friend, thank you. Hello, beautiful. Happy birthday." So it has a lot of little sayings in it. So I'm not sure if you can see that. So that is really cute. Oh, and here's Stormy. Hi, Storm. Alright guys, so that is my little crafting haul. Next month I'm actually going to be having a giveaway, and it's going to be more crafting related giveaway, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be at the end of the month in February, so please stay tuned for that, because I have a nice little giveaway that I'll be putting together, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. And it's just a thank you from me to you guys because of all your wonderful support. Alright guys, so I'm going to let you all go right now, and like I say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. And I'll see you in my next video, which will be a Dollar Tree video. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.